All right, everyone, so we have an umbrella in review, but this is not just any umbrella. This is a HVAC umbrella, and you can use it for more than just HVAC. You can use this umbrella for auto, whatever industrial work you're doing, carpentry. If maybe you don't have the roof up yet, you're doing woodwork outside or whatnot, so opens up like a regular umbrella. I think it said 56 inches. If I'm wrong on that, I'll post it for you. And it definitely took out the sun by using it as a regular umbrella. So I will be taking this to the kids' soccer games and football games, most definitely. Nice and thick. Windproof. Fold it back down and it clips. You have your Velcro. The most important thing is for the HVAC people, we have the extension. This is basically how you mount it, and you can do 360-degree turn if you need 360 degrees for turning. To get the right angle that you need, twist and lock it. You have your magnet right here. They said 650 pounds force on here. This adapter on, got our adapter. Once you put the adapter on, they have a key right here. This is how it stays on here. Putting it on just like that. Then you lock it with your key and make sure it stays locked and make it tight. So if it does get windy, you don't want your umbrella to blow off of here. So you want to hook up your umbrella, open up your clamps, and this is fairly easy, you guys. Open your umbrella, block the sun. All right, so what you want to do is put the clamp onto your umbrella and then tighten it. I opened the clamps too much, but it's okay. And this is what the HVAC people need, because as you can see, the sun is hitting my AC. If we want to do some work on it, like clean out the system, and it sticks just like that, and now I can work without any sun bothering me or I'm dying of the sun. Now you can make your adjustment right here to go up and down. That way it's not too close. If it's too close, then you know you need some room to work on your AC, just like that. And I can loosen this, and then bring this up, make it all the way. And while you're on here, you can just go ahead and turn it wherever you need to turn. All right. It's magnetic, so wherever the sun is hitting, you can block the sun. Nice and easy. Now we're going to take this off. It's very tough. Same thing right here. All right. Again, it's blocking the sun. If I want it up, there I go. All right, it's all about your adjustments, ladies and gentlemen. But that's it. Amazing. Can't beat it. I'm gonna show you another scenario when it comes to the car. All right, you guys, so we figured out a way. All right, I put a tire right there, and then I put the magnet right on the flat part of the tire. So this is a regular rim, you guys. I don't know if y'all gonna be in my situation, but there you go. I could work on that. All I gotta do is push it closer and give it a maybe what, 45-degree tilt, 30-degree tilt, and it will block that part of the car, and then I could push it more to me. I'm doing a reset on the Dodge Avenger because I did the throttle body and the cam sensors, so I want to do a full car reset. So yeah, that's blah blah blah. That's for another story, another day. But as far as the review of this, yes, you can use it, but again, horizontal, you guys. You have to be horizontal. You cannot use this vertically. All right.